I think it's important to understand what exactly it is that the broadcasters are saying. No one is saying that we shouldn't eventually have a reduction in the amount of minutes that are going in advertising. No one really wants to see 20, 25, 30 minutes of advertising in an hour. I think what broadcasters are saying is that there is a certain process that has to be followed and a logical sequencing of that. We've always said that with digitization, you're going to see subscription money going up and carriage fees coming down. As a result of that, the reliance on advertising goes down. And once that happens, then obviously we can have all sorts of other things, the caps and advertising comes down. But that sequence has to be followed. Right now, carriage is not really down the extent that people wanted it to be. Neither is any additional subscription money coming in. So right now to expect the final outcome on advertising is unreasonable. And I think everyone gets that. The ministry also gets that. No one is saying that we shouldn't at some point doing this. No one is also saying that we shouldn't start working towards that, perhaps by some sort of voluntary, reductions. But let's not put the cart before the horse. Look, I mean, let's not speculate on that. I guess it'll be different from channel to channel. There are some channels which are carrying a very high number of ad inventory, others are carrying less. So it will very much depend from channel to channel. But I think I'm fairly hopeful that we will be able to get some sort of a sensible way forward on this. See, I think we all know that the rating measurement system in India needs a lot of work done on it. There are serious flaws in it. I mean, just look at the way the sample sizes have been swinging on a weekly basis. And suddenly Assam is a bigger market for English news than Bombay is. It makes no sense. But these things are happening. So clearly you do need something to be done about this, because at the end of the day, the entire advertising industry looks at those ratings, and it's really important that they should be better quality. It's between TRAI and MIB. I've heard what the ministries also had to say about what the regulator should be. So I don't want to get into a fight between the ministry and TRAI. I just think that, look, lots of very signal and important steps have been taken in the last year to try and set the broadcasting industry right. I think that we should take note of those steps that have been taken. But obviously there are still some problems, and we must try and get those resolved as well.